Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to put two pictures side by side in Canva, step by step, so you can create stunning collages, social media posts, or even professional presentations in just a few minutes. If you've ever struggled with layout design or spent too long trying to align your images perfectly, this tutorial will make your life so much easier. Let's get started. First things first, open Canva. If you don't already have an account, head over to canva.com and create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and choose any size you like. You can pick from popular formats like Instagram post or presentation, or simply start with a blank canvas. Totally up to you. Now, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Elements. This is where all the creative tools live: shapes, lines, illustrations, and most importantly for us, frames. Scroll through the elements and find the Frames section. Frames are essentially placeholders that allow you to drop images in effortlessly, and Canva automatically crops and aligns them for you. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, click See All under the Frames section to explore the full collection. Now, choose a side-by-side frame layout. You'll notice options that display two images next to each other, horizontally or vertically. Pick the one that best suits your design style and click on it to add it to your canvas. Next, we'll bring in your pictures. On the same left menu, click Uploads. Here you can upload photos directly from your computer or even drag and drop them right in. If you've already uploaded images before, you'll find them in your library. Once your pictures are ready, drag each photo into the frame, one on the left, one on the right. Canva will automatically snap the images into place, making sure everything aligns perfectly. It's that simple. From here, you can adjust each image within its frame by double-clicking and repositioning it, or you can add text, backgrounds, and effects to enhance your design. Try experimenting with filters, color overlays, or a subtle border to give it that polished, professional look. And there you go. You've just learned how to place two pictures side by side in Canva like a pro. Whether you're designing for social media, marketing, or personal projects, this little trick can take your visuals to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Canva and design tips, and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!